All right, let's just go on to our next feature, which is being able to manage your social media. So, once you've connected all of your social media accounts that you use, you'll then be able to use the system to create posts, to schedule, or to post immediately. Let me just go on to this account, which is my dummy account. You can see I've connected up business pages. I've done some testing. It creates videos. We can post videos. You can do normal text posts. You can obviously share blog pages blog posts if you've got those, and you can share them out onto all of your different areas. So you could be inside of your groups. It could be inside of your business pages. As I said, on you can post to Google as well now. You can open up a planner and you can basically plan out your year with your posts as well, which is awesome. Coming soon, the calendar will actually be pre-filling the calendar for you with drafts so that you can just literally edit them and use them if you wish to do so. And what I'm hoping to do is do a sort of 365-day calendar so that throughout throughout the year you'll have heaps and heaps of posts that you can just basically just hit publish on. So you can manage your socials through the platform as well. So if you're using Hootsuite or Buffer or Later, you can get rid of all of those things because it's included in your monthly fee.